welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell so you can be notified for all my new videos. Hi guys, happy Wednesday. Hope everyone's having a great day. Okay, before we get into this video, I'm gonna say something. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for all your prayers and your love and support on what I'm praying for. That really means the world to me. I know that I know my hair's doing something funny today. I know that I answered all my comments, so I really want to thank you girls. Honestly, you touched my heart, and sincerely, that is amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. So let's get into the video. This is my Easter kitchen tablescape. I do one in the dining room and it's really kind of more formal and a little more fancy pants than this one here. But I figured, okay, let's do one in the kitchen. Well, I mean, I always do it in the kitchen. But I wanted to give you an idea, maybe motivate you and do something cute in your house for your friends and family. This is so easy, my God, and so inexpensive. So I'm gonna show you the before, how I have the table set. Some of you know, but quick. I'll just show you real quick, and then let's get to decorating. Okay guys, it's so simple. I know most of you have seen this. Oh, I have my coffee on the table. Most of you have seen this lantern. And it's just really simple. And it's got the little bunny in it. And then my two little fat bunnies. And then I just have a really plain pale yellow napkin. And then the wood charger. And then the yellow placemat. And I'm going to leave it like that. But before I do that, let me show you over here. I know I haven't shown this yet. And I'm kind of excited to show you. So you guys remember this table that I DIY'd? There's the table, there's Miss Chicken, and I just added 2 of these glass apothecary jars, and then the little platter, and then this galvanized crown is so cute, guys. But you remember this egg? Well, the other one broke, so I just put it here in like a nest, and then the little bird, but watch this. Oh my God, this turned out so cute. Do you remember this, the frame, the antique frame that I hung, and then I hung a wreath from it? Well, I just put a chalkboard in it, and now I got a chalkboard, and it's so cute. And I love the antique frame. I'm gonna pan in closer so you can actually see the frame. So there's the frame. I didn't touch the frame. It is the way it always was, but I wrote Easter blessings, and I don't know, I was just playing with it. So yeah, so there it is. So that's the little side table. It doesn't glare outside too much. But this is what I did on this little bar thing that I have here. It's got all like wine glasses and stuff. I just put the buffalo plaid, and then this is a cookie jar. It's a bunny cookie jar with raffia bow. And then those are some, what are they called again? Coasters. And then I just added this little bunny with the 3 little eggs. And then I just made that from dollar store flowers. I hope it's not glaring too much. But yeah, so that's what I have on this. There you can see. And there's the faith sign. And this, guys, is actually just a tea towel. And if you're wondering about these 2 decals I have on the wall here, they're not wood. They're actually plastic. And I bought them at the dollar store. Ooh, I want to say last winter. So the winter that, not the winter that just passed, the one before that. So yeah, so that's all I have on that table. Okay, let's get to the, okay guys, this is my step 1 of my tablescape. I'm trying not to get a glare from the outside. So I just put this tablecloth down. It's a yellow and white buffalo plaid. And I know my mom's going to be watching. She's going to say, why didn't you iron that? But I thought it tied in good. I left the lantern. Now I'll show you what I'll do. This is step 2. What I did here, I hope the color shows up. So these are gray actually. And I'm pretty sure I bought these at Dollar Tree. But I like to layer them. And then I just put my wood charger on again. And you'll see why I'm bringing in the gray in a minute. So that was So then I added this bunny plate. Guys, is this not the cutest? First of all, it's from Ross. The set of 4 were from Ross. There, you can see them there. I got them last year, and they're melamine actually. They're not glass or anything like that. They're just melamine plates. And I thought for the kitchen, that's fine, because we're really only going to have kitchen Easter breakfast in here and nothing else. So I just wanted to use the melamine ones. So I got the tablecloth, I got the placemat, I got a charger, and I got a plate. So I'm going to continue. Okay, guys, first of all, let's ignore Mia outside. She's going crazy, but I wanted to show you these. I made this napkin ring last year, but I didn't add the carrot to it last year. I actually had a little pumpkin on it. It's a wood napkin ring from the Dollar Tree, and then some twine, and then I just hot glued the carrot on it. And what I do, it's so simple. I just take my napkin and I pinch it like at the top like that. So I let it drape down. I mean, I'm sure you've seen this 100 times. And then I just add it in my napkin, and that's what I got. So I'm just gonna place the napkins on the top like that, and that all kind of like ties in. Okay, so let me do the napkins. So I added these Pioneer Woman glasses from Walmart because that color ties in with the rim of the plate. So I thought I'm gonna bring a little bit of color in, and it's mostly yellow with little pops of orange, but I think it looks so cute. And I left my little bunnies. I just love those bunnies. So this is my informal kitchen tablescape, guys. There's really not much to it. I just think it's a cute thing to do for your family, for Easter morning. For me, Easter's a really, really big celebration. We really celebrate Easter quite a bit. Ooh, you know what I just realized? You guys have never seen these curtains. These are my new curtains. I know they're like pulling down on the ground. They're actually white, and they have a tiny, tiny bit of yellow in them. I don't think my camera is gonna pick it up. But there's, oh, there, you can see the yellow just a tiny bit. And I just recently got them. I had all gray curtains, and that's why I like to add a little bit of gray, because I do have accents of gray in my house. So I'm gonna give you another look. There it is in its entirety. I look so cute. And my table ties in so nice with the table, the entranceway table. Oh my God, excuse the rest of the house. With that little entranceway table that we did there, and the little shelf above that I did in my last video. So I just think it ties in so, so good. And there's the bunny. You can see inside the lantern. There you go. Okay guys, that is the end of my video. Please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, because it totally helps on my channel, and we're growing, and I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, guys, I have to make a confession. I totally forgot to use these. That's right, my little coasters. They're little tiny beaded coasters that I got last year from Ross. They're so inexpensive. They were like $4 for 4. Anyways, they're supposed to go here, right here, underneath the glasses, so the pink can tie in in the pink in the plates, but I totally forgot to show that on camera. Anyways, I hope you have an amazing, amazing night. Thank you so much for your comments. Thank you for all your love and support. I totally appreciate it. And I will have a video out very soon. If not tomorrow, then for sure Friday. But I'm hoping to make a few more videos this week than I usually do to kind of catch up. Anyways, so have a wonderful evening, and I will see you very soon. Bye, YouTube. Bye, guys. Mwah. Bye, everybody. See you very soon.